Can I go?
You can start talking now. Explain.
Okay, right now, I first take one
Tissue.
And then I make it like a circle.
A ball.
A ball.
Crumple it up. Say it.
I crumple it up.
Yeah, okay. Squish it, yeah. Alright.
Right now, we take 3 papers.
3 papers.
No, 3
Pieces
of tissue and put it over the head. Or put it on the head.
So you're going to make the head. Now what is...
And now we gonna take
a rubber band.
Rubber band and then do like this.
Okay.
Right now we gonna take the colors. We gonna draw the face.
Now, Moana, you need to tell us, this looks like it could be for Halloween. It really looks like Halloween, but I want to know, and I want you to explain to me
Right now we
what it is. What does this do?
Stop the rain. It will stop the rain.
It's going to stop the rain.
Yes.
So this is kind of a special, is it like magic?
No.
Not magic, so it really will stop the rain?
Yes.
Okay. So I want you to tell me a little bit more. How did you learn how to do this?
Dora teach me.
Dora, who is Dora?
My friend.
Okay, your friend. Do you want to explain this in Chinese a little bit? For the camera, for everybody, the world can know?
Okay, so later.
Later.
Because I'm gonna make more.
You're gonna make more?
Yeah.
We're not gonna make a long video.
Right now, put this. We don't need glue.
You don't need glue, okay.
And on the paper, and we are finished. Look, wait. How about we use glue? How about we use glue?
That takes too long. How about use tape?
Oh, this is.
Just wrap tape around that.
Okay. How about let's use tape?
Okay, tape sounds
good. If you
good.
don't have tape,
Use glue.
Glue.
Okay, you want to put a sticker on there. If your sticker is okay, you can just put that on there as well.
Look, I first fold it and then fold it and put it on it.
You're going to put it on the ghost. Is it a ghost?
No.
Then what is it?
It's, people can stop it.
People can stop it. That doesn't make any sense.
And then put on it. And then
Okay, wait. So this is like a little... This is like a voodoo doll. Do you know voodoo? Like magic. So it's really going to stop the rain.
Yes.
A lot of kids believe in this kind of thing. Show me your 2. Show me the 2. Hold them both up. All right. Do you want to explain a little bit in Chinese about what this is?
Okay, I'm going to make one more.
And explain it in Chinese?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't need to make one more. Just go ahead and tell us anyway.
No, I won't make one more. So you stop first.
No, hi. Go and get your stuff. We'll just take a break.
No. You take a break with that thing.
I think we should just do it all in one take. Go ahead, get it, hurry. Just run and get it. Who was it? Hurry.
We need 2.
We've only got 3 minutes left to go. Go. Go grab the get it. The calendar. All right. Here, come on now. All right, now explain in Chinese.
Right now, 不对。现在我们先把卫生纸用成一个圆圈，揉成一个圆圈。Whoa. 我们要做这个。
Hi, hurry up, hurry up. 快点，快点，没完啦。Oh, everybody's waiting. It doesn't have to be perfect, just
现在我们把这个圈圈放在这里，然后呢，再把它压下去，再这样子。
Where are you going? It's okay. You can just twist it. You don't need to. Hi.
然后呢，现在再把它绑起来。
This part's difficult, yeah. 这个行难好不好? No. Yosh. Okay. Okay, that's good enough. 这够了，好了。
现在再把它头压扁，稍微压不扁的用粗压。
Hey, you didn't do the English one like that, Maywana.
现在拿一个颜色画他眼睛、嘴巴。现在拿紫色，帮你的衣服涂一下颜色，画一下那个图案，也可以啦，你不要画也可以。现在我们再用这个，然后呢，如果有双面胶的人就用双面胶，如果没有双面胶就用那个什么。
Hi. You only got 1 minute left.
那个胶水。
快点。
快点。现在再把这个折起来。
Hurry.
Hurry.
Really, serious. Only 1 minute and then it's done.
现在再把它贴上去。
Hi, show everybody.
这样贴。
Hi, 大家好. Show everybody.
然后再用一个星星的。没有这个，你可以。
You're running out of time, kid. You got a little bit. That's it. 50 seconds. Hurry. I'm serious.
然后再把它贴。
I tell him it stops the rain.
就好了，这个可以让雨具停哦。好，拜拜。